Hey friends, it's Shonda McRae, your favorite realtor's favorite realtor. And here we are, the end of day 96 of my 100-day challenge. But can you believe it? We're this close to the finish line. And today, or this evening, I want to quickly share with you the best advice I received. And I'm going to say that advice was simple but powerful. Don't wait for perfect. Just start. Now, when I got into real estate, I thought I need to have everything figured out, y'all. Every answer ready and every system in place. But the truth is, growth happens in just doing. And recording these 100 videos has been proof of that. By day 10, I learned to stop worrying about how I look and how I sound and just get the message out. And I told you that yesterday. But I'll say that advice has shaped my career, my business, and even my personal life. So if I had to wait for perfect, I wouldn't be here serving families, building a business, and walking in my purpose. So here's my advice to you. Whatever you've been waiting to do to start or waiting to start, start now. Take that step, make that call, launch the idea. I promise you, you're going to learn, grow, and improve along the way. So don't let perfection stop your progress. Y'all, remember my value. Excellence, rooted in integrity, and deliver with urgency. And as always, smile and be a blessing. See y'all tomorrow.